Hello everyone. In this lesson, you're going to peer review your friend's paper. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you what peer reviewing is. Why do we peer review? And how do we do it? Peer review is the process of someone reading, checking, and giving their opinion about something that has been written by another person working in the same subject area. So, you have to read, check, and give your opinion when reading your friend's paper. Now, why do we peer review? According to the website of City University of New York, it says you learn from your peers more than you learn from others. You learn from the people who are doing the same thing. So here your peer is your classmate. At the same time, you'll learn a very essential critical skill that you will need in your future career. You'll learn how to give constructive feedback. And usually successful people are open to giving and receiving feedback. On the other hand, a peer feedback is self-reflection at the same time. When you give feedback, you notice the strengths and weaknesses about your friend's writing, and you learn from these. Moreover, according to a study done by Palo Alto University students in the USA, peer review equals better grades. It means the more critical you are when you are peer reviewing your friend's paper, the better grades you get. So you do a peer review, you learn more, and you get better grades in your writing. Moreover, peer reviewers offer the author a new perspective and vision on their writing. It's always good to have another person's opinion about what we write. How do we peer review? First, you need to understand the writer's feelings. Do not judge them or their writing. You're not the teacher. You're not going to give them a grade. And you're not a proofreader. So don't try to pinpoint only the mistakes in their writing. And you're not the writer. So you're not going to change anything. You only give your opinion. Don't forget that you are the reader, and you are peer reviewing to help your friend write better and help yourself at the same time by noticing their strengths and weaknesses. So what you do is you read, understand, and respond by writing friendly comments and making some nice suggestions. Secondly, after you read, you give comments. These comments have to be in the form of constructive feedback, which will motivate the writer. So you can write some positive comments using phrases like, I totally agree with you, as this is a good argument because this is interesting information. I never thought about it this way. And if you have some critical comments, you can use friendly phrases like, I'm not sure I understand your point here. I think it's a good idea if you add this. So this is how you can suggest in a good way for them to add something. What I understand here is, so here to double check if what you understood is correct. And you can say, this is not very clear for me, but I think what you mean is, and how does this example link to your argument? If you find something unclear, something incomplete, something wrong, you want them to correct it. So it's a really good idea to use phrases such as these. And remember, you are on the team of the writer. You are working with them to motivate them, to help them, and help yourself. Finally, when you're writing your comments, Try to balance between your positive and critical comments. If you've written 5 positive ones, you'll need like 5 critical ones. Try not to write only critical and ignore the positive ones. This will demotivate your friends. You are on the team of the writer. To sum up, when you're peer reviewing, you learn from your friend's paper and you learn how to give constructive feedback, a very essential critical skill. At the same time, you'll get better grades writing your own paper. How you do it? You read, understand, and respond to your friend's writing in a friendly way so that you motivate them to write better. Thank you for watching.